Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and in this video I'll show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. Watch this video till the end to read the comments, to like and receive $100 to the balance on the website. And now let's start trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
So more useful information I want to tell you about this table. It's a trading plan, indicates what you can get. So I'll tell you a little about it. It's a working plan and I decided to take it as an example. This trading plan is mainly designed for a week, but we also have a trading plan on the same 2 weeks, 3 for a month, and so on. The trading plan indicates what your first deposit is. The first deposit is $50. Let's say you have a budget of $50, like most beginners come in, and I want you, but so you can invest too much money, and you can the more profits you can get, but yeah. Every day you can trade with this plan. It's for 7 days, as I said before. So you can use it. You can find it in my VIP group and my Telegram channel. You can ask me, I'll answer you. Just write to me in my Telegram, so you can find the link in the description. Our initial capital is $100, so we also apparently already have exactly $100. So after that we set the time for each deal. I already have 1 minute. This is the ideal time for the video, as it's possible to show as briefly as possible the strategy of exactly how these two indicators work. Minute time frame, concept, you can see it here, 7 concepts. Let's remove this one. So 6 concepts, but I think we will trade about 8 or 9 maybe. Let's see. For general analysis we will choose indicators and our technical analysis. So the first Donchian channel and sell indicator. So first Donchian channel, you can see these parameters. So I show you it not in theory but in practice. You still need to know the theories a little still. So it's quite the simple indicator that provides an opportunity to observe price movements relative to the usual media range. Boundaries are formed based on extremes over a certain period. It's quite useful to determine the resistance level, the support level, in accordance with technical analysis. So CI, these parameters. Yeah, this oscillator. I think you understand these values. You can see 2 areas, overbought and oversold. So minus 0. So 100 minus. So with what probably will move into which area, the most correct signal that can be remembered is exit and entry into consolidation, the most correct trades that can be opened. And let's start our trading session. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and write me some comments. So we move on to the first concept. Here we are. Done deal and start our technical analysis. It's advisable to start with the technical analysis. In most cases, this should always be done at minimum. Following the loss range, we are trading for minutes. Yeah, we see drawdown, of course, globally, but our first signal to open a down trade. Like this previous candle, quite large shadows formed in the upper position. Yeah, this says that this increases is the chart will begin to second and bearish trend. For the second, we have a similar situation. Lower position. 1 second. Yeah, plus they are good. $84. Let's close this. Let's immediately increase the amount of the next deal to 184. And we move on to the next concept out. Here we are. Let's open up deal and start our technical analysis. 24 seconds until this candle. You can see this time is the opening of trades. Some reversal occurs. Also, this reversal in connection with which it occurs always needs to be highlighted well. The first is that we have the downtrend channel. There is a support area here. Apparently, there's also a line here. Now we have overcome at least a little, but we will still roll back from the neutral position. Also, during the general drawdown, we repeatedly had reversals, and now we have the same reversal. Yeah, a couple of places I see. Let's see. We see that deal was closed. Yeah, our balance increased. Good. Very nice. Let's increase $338. And we move on to the third concept. Here we are. So start our technical analysis. We see drawdown on our chart. Next, we can see the moments that for the last concept bar, we also have a process for 2 red candles. So I think it's yeah, we see lines directed to a lower position. By CCI, we also see slightly uncertain situation, as we have started to see small swings here. Let's see for our chart. 10 seconds left until the end. So it's stable for now. CCI, we see a drawdown, large. Yeah, plus they are good. Our balance is $633. Good. So let's move on to the next concept of so Next concept, here we are, down deal, and started our technical analysis. We see reversal occurs, lower positions, so we see support area, some drawdown on this. We should rapidly open TL. I think the reversal will be not big as previous. Two indicator, the second indicator, the same situation. Until the end of the deal is 8 seconds. Large drawdown, but we already, plus deal we see. Good. Our balance is 720. Let's sum it up. It was $100 and we increases our balance. It's very good. It's the main thing in trading. So you can find all my tradings in my Telegram channel. You can follow the link in the description and copy my signals, tradings. So next concept, here we are, down deal, and study our technical analysis. Here, according to the last chart, a drawdown is clearly visible. That is the non-outgoing trend. Downtrend channel, what says us? The last media range at the upper limits at the lower position. We're also seeing below the line, this line, this is also important. CCI, line is in lower position. We're stably. Drawdown is getting even greater, but nevertheless we have to wait until the end of the deal. Absolutely everything can change at the last moment. Plus deal, and our profit is $88. Good. It was our sixth car spa, I think. Resistance and support areas highlighted. It was pullback earlier. 2 candles, I think it will be growth. We opened in the middle of the candle. We'll still have a rise. According to the downtrend indicator, we are still holding steady. And moving top. By the second indicator, CCI, we have a stimulus situation. We are almost at the exit from the oversold level. 100 value. The tail is close and plus good. Very nice. And we move on to the first concept with which we started our training session. Here we are, up TL, and start our technical analysis. 11 seconds have already passed from our real candle. It will be some reversal. We see by Dolchin also the same situation. Lower moving average at this range. Upper position, head to our upper position, yeah. By the second indicator we see drawdown. It's okay. We open DL using technical analysis and our first indicator, Dolchin channel. 12 seconds left until the end of the DL. We're still above our opening points. 2 seconds. Yeah, excellent, good. Plus DL.
Hello traders, my name is Lina and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in binary options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
Now we move on to the next concept. Here we are. Let's open down deal here and start our technical analysis. We see the resistance level immediately catches on our eye, both according to the general analysis and according to Dolchin channel. The indicator quite nicely helps to determine, and accordingly we have reached and a reversal is taking place. What we see more. BCCI shows this reversal. We clearly see that we have reached a fairly high level. Yeah, reversal occurs. It's also important. Quite large. 13 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's wait. I think it will be plus. Yeah, good. Plus DL. And let's finish our training session on this concept. Let's summarize it. First of all, the video is already and so it was as I'm not mistaken, concept as our strategy is very good, very profitable. You see it yourself. You can find this strategy in my Telegram channel and use it for free. So what to say? Yeah, we use two indicators and our technical analysis. It's very important to open the deal using these two parameters, so to say. We increased our balance more than 10 times. Good, it's very good. It's very important also for traders. So I think that's it for now, and if you have any questions you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.